Hey guys, so today is 7th of January 2020 and today I am going to share another secret with you, and this secret will once again change the way you trade. I am shooting this video on 7th of January 2020, but it will be published on a later date, but that is not an issue. Today the trade has happened and I wanted to share the trade with you. And this is a secret that will be unfolded and this will break a myth. What is the myth? That we need intraday charts to trade intraday. But that is not the case, my dear friends. In this video, I am going to show you do not need any kind of intraday charts. Still, you can trade successfully in the intraday. And we will use only the daily charts. So I am going to show you how you can successfully trade the intraday market. You can trade Nifty, you can trade Bank Nifty, you can trade stocks. Still, you do not need any kind of intraday charts. No live data, nothing. You can just punch the order, you can make money, and that's all. So let me start showing you the strategy. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. So friends, we all know that trend is our friend. But that trend is not created on an intraday chart. Rather, that trend is created on a daily chart or on a higher time frame chart. So that trend is followed in the intraday. So whatever you are seeing on the intraday, that is actually a continuation of the daily pattern or a weekly pattern. So in this video, I am going to show you can also copy this kind of techniques and you can make the money that we are making. And we are showing you an example of a money making in Nifty options. So not only Nifty options, you can follow this technique on any kind of stocks, Nifty, Bank Nifty, either options or futures, whatever you like. You can trade anything with this particular strategy. So let me show you the strategy. So my dear friends, this is Nifty's daily chart and you can see the date is 6th of January. So 6th of January 2020, that means it is yesterday's chart. So yesterday we have got a breakdown in Nifty and you can see the MACD. We are using two indicators. One is MACD and another one is stochastics. So you can see the MACD is bearish because the MACD line is below the signal line, and you can see the stochastics is also bearish because the percentage K of stochastics is below the percentage D of stochastics. So MACD is heading down, the stochastic is heading down, and the price is heading down. That means it is a weak trend. The trend is down. So Nifty's trend, daily trend is down. So now how we can follow this daily trend on intraday market, on intraday charts. So let me show you the intraday charts. Now see friends, this is Nifty's intraday chart. So Nifty opened up, opened gapped up, and then it has tried to rally a bit and then it has started the downwards journey. So yesterday night itself, we have made our mind that as Nifty is that much of bearish, if we get the Nifty on the upside, on the higher side, we will short the Nifty, or rather we will buy puts, and we got an opportunity. So next morning, that means today morning, we have got an opportunity to short the Nifty. So Nifty has made decent rally, Nifty has made a high over here, and from there we can get a shorting entry. So from here we can get a shorting entry, but the shorting entry you need to choose with your own perception. But Nifty is a short, Nifty is not at all a buy. So anyone who is using an intraday indicator, just like I am using an intraday indicator, say let us add super trend. So super trend, if we have added, We can see the first candle of the day has given a buy signal, but that buy signal is to be avoided, and that is to be taken from the daily charts, because daily chart does not suggest a buy. Rather, in daily charts all the indicators are bearish, so we need to short the market whenever we get an opportunity. If we get a rally, we need to short the market. So we have shorted the Nifty over here. So we have clients. Our clients get an app from us that is called Hot Tips. So that app actually gives our clients some algorithmic calls generated by computer. But that is not all. Time to time we will also send them research calls. So those research calls are also available on the Hot Tips app. So let me show you the Hot Tips app. This is the Hot Tips screen, but this is not the Android app. Actually, this is the web version of Hot Tips, but the same thing you can get on the Android version also. So let me log in to the Hot Tips. So once you logged in, you will get two sections. One is research calls, another one is algo alerts. So this algo alert section actually provides you computer generated calls, but this research call our own research oriented calls. So click on research calls. So we can see on 7th of January 2020, that means today at 9:34 AM, we have sent an update to buy Nifty 16 January 12,100 put near 65 to 68. The stop loss was 25 and the target was open. So our clients got this particular message, and we can see at that time Nifty was actually trading over at this range. So we can open the put chart also. We can see the put has made a low around 67, 68, 66 to 68 level. So that area our clients has got a message, and from there you can see the put started rallying. So the put started rallying. You can see the next update was sent to our clients at 11:03 AM, that is to book partial profits in Nifty 16 January 12,100 put near 95 to 100. And the final message that has been sent, that at 2:41 PM on 7 January 2020 to book full profits in Nifty 16 January 12,100 put as per comfort. The high has made at 147 and the current price, that was that time's price, was 120. So you can see it. Our all clients has received this research call. So the same technique. In the previous night itself, we have got the notion that whether to buy Nifty or sell Nifty, and the notion was pretty clear that we need to short Nifty, only sell, sell, sell. There is nothing else. And you can also follow this same technique. If you get this kind of patterns in the indicators or on the price, you can sell or buy the same stock. If you get a buy pattern, you can buy the stock in the next day if you get a dip, and if you get a sell pattern, you can short sell the particular script on the next day on a rally. So you need to wait for a rally. A 1%, 2% rally is well enough, and you can understand that these kind of rallies or these kind of dips, rallies in case of weak stocks and dips in case of strong stocks cannot prevail. So that rally or that dip will be faded out. So you can understand there is a huge potential in this particular strategy. Just see the daily charts. There is no need to see the intraday charts also. And believe me, I have not seen the intraday charts for a single time. But still, we have got a notion that if we get a rally, we can short sell the market. So not only our clients has got this type of messages, rather we have also traded the same things in our accounts. Our staffs has traded the same things in our accounts. So I am going to show you the profit screenshot. So my dear friends, you can see this is a screenshot from Zero the Kite. Nifty 16 January 12,100 put has been bought, and there is a total profit of 18,315 that has been made. So you can understand this strategy is having a very good potential, a very good earning potential. Just you need to follow this strategy very carefully. You need to understand which script to buy and which script to sell. I am showing you these live examples, these real life examples actually, and you can follow this strategy on your own. So now, my dear friends, I'll show you how you can also get Hot Tips app. So friends, this is Google Play Store. I am showing it from the laptop, but you can use the same thing from the mobile also. Just go to Google Play Store and search for Hot Tips. So you can see the first listing that comes, that is the Hot Tips app developed by me. So my dear friends, you can install this Hot Tips app on your Android phone, or rather there is another web version available. I have already shown you the web version. So you can use this app. The usage is free of cost, but there is only one simple criteria, that you need to have a trading and demat account under my partner brokers under me. So I am associated with few broking companies like Zerodha, 5paisa, Upstocks. So you can open an account under me, a trading and demat account under me in any of the companies, fund it, and you can simply use the Hot Tips app free of cost. So my dear friends, this video is not to promote the Hot Tips app, rather to show you the strategy, how we generate our calls, how we generate our trades, and how we earn real monies. So this is the question of real money, earning real money. You can see there are n number of people in YouTube who will show you this, who will show you that, but no one will show you the live screenshots. So friends, to conclude, I'll just show you the strategy once again. Just watch this strategy very carefully. So yesterday night itself we have got the trade, whether to buy Nifty or whether to sell Nifty. We have seen that there was a big price breakdown yesterday. We have seen that the MACD was bearish and heading downwards. The stochastics was bearish and heading downwards. So any kind of rally next morning, that needs to be shorted. So that was the strategy. That was the simple strategy. Anything comes on the upside, short it. Simple, plain and simple, and you will get enough money. So friends, I have shown you can also earn serious money from intraday trading, that is also without using any intraday charts. So you do not need any live data, nothing is required, but still you can earn serious money by trading futures or by trading options or by trading cash. So just you need to identify the pattern beforehand. For that you need some practice, and if you need some hand holding, you can join my trading team. To join my trading team, I will give you a link in the video description. So from there you can just open a trading and demat account under me and you can join my trading team. If you need the Hot Tips app, I will once again leave the Hot Tips app link in the video description, or simply you can go to Google Play Store and you can search for Hot Tips. So thanks a lot friends for watching this video till end. I wish you loads of luck in the coming days. Bye bye.